Hey everyone, recently I got myself tested for corona and unfortunately my report came out to be positive. So I was at home in quarantine and my this video is about what all I ate in quarantine. So let's begin. The mornings usually started with me boiling my water in my kettle. I usually prefer to have a glass of warm water in the morning. At times I used to have 1 cup of warm water, or maybe at times I used to go for 2 depending on how I was feeling, and spend some time in the sun in the morning with my warm glass of water. Coming to the breakfast, my breakfast had all the stuff that was light. My breakfast mainly consisted of poha and upma laden with lots of vegetables and peanuts because I love peanuts, and also a mandatory glass of milk every day accompanied with the breakfast. At times, for a change, maybe few bananas in my muesli, again in milk, and at times I relished on parathas, at times aloo paratha or gobi paratha, at times without any kind of pickle, and at times something added to it. Then I had my own personal kit, more like the medicines that was supposed to be taken, like vitamin C, vitamin D, honey, black salt, lemon. Everything was given to me so that I could have these things throughout the day whenever I felt like making something, maybe lemon juice in warm water. And I used to make sure that I used to have some form of fluid or some form of drink in warm water throughout the day. Having fluids is really important during this time because it is like the central to recovery. It keeps you hydrated. It is good for your energy levels and can also prevent certain problems like headaches and body pains because your body is well hydrated. Two lemons were used to be given to me on daily basis, which I had to finish every day. So I kind of had lemon juice with little bit of rock salt once or at times twice a day. And I used to store my warm water in my bottle, so it was like readily available to me whenever I wanted to have any kind of fluid or any drink to have good recovery. I think this is the most important part. Also, it was followed up with some carrot juice at times, or maybe green tea. A good nutrition and hydration are central to recovery in this phase, so make sure that you have good healthy balanced diet and lots of fluids. If they are taken in warm form, it is always good. Now I want to talk about this thing which is Honitus Hot Sip Ayur Kadha, and I used to have this like one sachet every day. This is really helpful for your throat issues if you have some irritation or some cough kind of thing. I used to empty the contents in my glass, and then I just had to add some amount of warm water to it, and depending on how much I liked the strongness of this thing, so it could be half cup of water or maybe one full cup. It all depended how much I wanted to have at that time, and it self dissolves after like 1 or 2 minutes. And this was a perfect kada which was in a readily available form that I had. So anybody who is in a state like me can definitely go for this. It was really helpful for me. I used to have this at least twice a day while working because I was occasionally also working from home. Now my lunch used to be normal home cooked, healthy meals with chapati, vegetables, salads, at times relished on parathas as well with lots of ghee, and at times I had a combination of vegetables and fruit along with some soaked dry fruits. Now coming to my favorite fruit, it requires a lot of minute first, and finally it happens. I used to have it with salt at times without salt. Those who have any form of BP issues should avoid any kind of salt. My BP on the other hand is little on the lower side, so salt is like recommended for me. So I used to put generous amount of black salt and then have my fruits. And then some more salads and fruits followed throughout the day. It was made sure that I should have at least 2 servings of fruit on a daily basis, and some more fruits here. Then in the evening it followed with tea, which was heavily loaded in ginger, which I guess is a really essential component for keeping up your immunity and making you strong. Now this one thing that I used to do in the evening, I used to take few munakka, also called as dry grapes, and after washing them thoroughly I used to put them in one of my cups and pour hot water in it, and I used to keep it for like soaking for about 2-3 hours, and I'll tell you how I used to use this. Dinner was usual homemade, again healthy food with chapatis or vegetables and salads, at times kheer also, and rice, dal with some papad, which is my absolute favorite food. And at times I also relished on some pulav along with my utmost favorite stuff, which is curry pakoda. And then I had some more protein rich veggies. Now coming back to the munakka that we had soaked about 2-3 hours ago. Now by night these have soaked in some water and they are bigger in size and more rounder in shape. So what I used to do is that I used to get milk before going to bed, and I used to put these munakka in that milk daily, and I did not used to throw away this water. I used to drink this water because it becomes sweet after a point, and milk had these munakkas in it. Now munakka is a rich source of iron and it maintains your energy level, so especially for girls and women this is highly recommended. It acts like a supplement for the iron deficiencies and also maintains your hemoglobin levels. And that used to be my last thing. At times it used to be munakka, at times it used to be chyawanprash, which was provided to me in a small bottle, because of course I was not supposed to be, like touching everything possible in the house. So yes, munakka and chyawanprash it was, with milk. A warm glass of milk before going to bed is really good for your digestive system as well, and the next morning for smoother bowels it works wonders. And it is also essential for a good night's sleep. And after done with all the kinds of eating, the final thing before going to bed was again little warm water. Warm water is the key in any kind of isolation or quarantine that somebody is in. Please have as much as warm water and fluids that you can have. It is really essential and is quite helpful in faster recovery. This quarantine taught me so many things and I had a different perspective towards life. But I'm okay now, out of quarantine, and fitting fine. Yes, I did miss so many things which I used to have before quarantine, or rather, I should say, before this corona thing came to India. Missing them so badly, and this one I'm sure is missed by almost all Indians. Don't worry, we'll be coming out soon. So that's it in today's video. Thank you for watching, and I hope all of you are safe and sound. See you soon in my next video.